Hello, my name is Jonathan Dominguez. I am a part of the EFEC team for the EFRT project, and this is my video of refactoring the backend for subscription services. If you have any questions about this user story, you can contact the product owner, Dr. Masood Sajadi, or myself at the emails listed. So I was tasked with refactoring the backend for subscriptions to fit with the new uh, excuse me, the new repository pattern. And so here I have the aggregate, the repository, the controller, and the manager and service that I have written. This is all a part of the web API to get information. Here I have some examples of how it works. Here is the adding subscriptions, where you give it a subscription with all its fields, and it'll return a subscription that is generated with all its information. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here is get all subscriptions. So you see all of them listed from before, but all in the same place. And then if you specify ID of the subscriptions, you can get the specific ID. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's the same information from before. And if you give it an unknown ID, it'll say that the subscription record is not found. You can also get subscriptions from the external subscription ID, which is a string right here. If you specify the correct string, it'll give you the first subscription with that string. You specify one that is not non-existent, it'll return the same as before. If you gave it an ID that was non-existent, which is subscription record not found. You can also update the subscription if you specify the ID and you give it another subscription to update it to. Here I should update the first subscription with ID 1, and here you can also use the external ID to update. You just have to specify the external ID. And here I did that for subscription 4, and here I got all subscriptions again, and as you can see, ID 1, the subscription is updated, the test sub, the external ID, and it is now inactive where it was active before. And for number 4, it's the same thing, it's inactive now, and it is updated on this external ID. You can also delete it by specifying the ID, and here is all the subscriptions again, and as you can see, the first subscription is missing because I deleted the first subscription. All this information is reflected in the database. As you can see here, if I select all the rows, you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 subscriptions, where the first one is deleted because I ran the delete function in the API. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact me or Dr. Masood Sajadi at the emails listed here. Thank you.